We are here. Yesterday we were eating on the boat. Today we are in Taino Beach, Bahamas. What? Nice place. A little bit abandoned. The beach is beautiful though, I have to admit. It needs some, a little bit of cleaning, I would say, and maintenance. But other than that, if you get a chance to come here, bring your friends, bring some life to this beach. It's beautiful. It needs a little bit of life. That's all it is. Just don't go to the tourist trap. Just come to the local beach. You only have to take a cab. Unfortunately, there are no choices to come here from the cruise other than taking a cab. It's gonna cost you $7 per person and you must pay round trip. But other than that, once you get here, the beach is unbelievable. The sand is really white, really bright sand. The water is unbelievable. Water temperature is great. Unfortunately, as I said before, there's one area back there that's called Virus Cove. They charge us $12 to get in on the public beach, basically. But that's almost like a restaurant park. It has zip lining, it has, what can I say, like kayaking, paddleboard, and all that stuff. But if you just want to sit down on the beach and relax, you don't need any of that nonsense. Just come to Taino Beach, enjoy the beautiful water, and have fun. It's all free.